Oh boy, snow's outside. Got our first snow. We're going out to do chores.
No, it's first snow, but it's a cold snow.
Well, yeah, it's not
It's
the
a
first
cold
one.
day. We had snow before.
So,
Had to zip up. I got just a t-shirt on underneath this jacket.
okay, here we go.
Check on the children. How you doing, boy? Need some food? Yep. There's one of them dishes we could have used for the cat.
Now, he's got new dishes now, right?
Yeah, ones you can't tip over, that's what we needed.
I'm surprised these guys are still hanging around outside. Wow, got some birds in there, you think?
Yeah, they come in and try to clean out your...
There was quite a few in there. Clay, there's a ton of them in there. Oh my goodness. They must have been trying to move in. We usually don't allow that.
Well, they're the
birds, they're
They're
scavengers.
The ones depend on me for their well-being. Come on, you gotta get back, girl. You got food in there, I'll just add a little bit more to it. Add a little bit more to it. Can't hurt to have enough when it's cold. Keep your bellies full. There you go, girl. I'll take the basket and fill the eggs in.
So you have the heated water now, right?
Yep, they have the heated water.
An old yucky bowl. Look at that, that's Tupperware. I could send that back.
Could you?
Yeah, I don't want to deal with it.
Gotta find a good dealer, huh?
I guess well, you can. They'll send you, I guess I have to see if it conform to their rules. Tupperware is good if you have old Tupperware, fixing you up. But I usually don't bother. But I think, well, there's a few companies out there that have that 100% guarantee no matter what.
Here's 6 eggs.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, are you coming out to get water or anything?
No, I have to go in here.
Okay, let's see who's in
They
here.
all have their waters.
Let's see who's in here.
How's everybody doing, girls?
How's everybody doing?
You got food?
We haven't been in here in a bit.
I have, but you haven't.
No, I haven't, because I've been catching up on other stuff.
An egg down here.
And no matter how much I catch up, it always seems like there's a new project going. Well, like right now, the windows and all that stuff.
And the wild birds keep coming and coming.
Yeah, I'm surprised. It's the most wild birds I've seen in here yet. Have you seen more in here before?
Mm-hmm.
You don't want wild birds in your barn, by the way, guys.
Well, no, it's not good because they bring in diseases.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys got water. Top off your feed. You'll have plenty to eat. Always want to make sure they got plenty of food and water, especially when it's cold. Here we go, girls.
January, guys. Happy New Year, birds.
You guys got food and water. You're good. Okay. Everybody seems to be taken care of. Got water in their water, all plugged in.
That's it.
Yeah, it's kind of chilly. It's good to be able to.
Yeah, but there's no drafts.
No, well, that window needs
Here,
to
can
be
you hold this for a minute?
covered over with plastic.
I must be losing weight. My pants are
The
going
pants are
down.
falling down. Put some plastic over that window.
So,
Get that wire in there so that these guys can go through into that other barn.
and then the
Then they
cold,
can close this off for the winter.
And I don't have a coat on.
Well, you should have had a coat on.
Yeah, but the cold isn't, I mean, look at the snow. It's hardly anything.
Like it'll fall.
Oh, there's that little
Here,
screechy.
I've got to give the dog his.
Oh, yeah, dog. Definitely dog. And we're eating the chili the second day. And we added more stuff to it.
There's another bag so you can make your
Oh, good.
the dog
Can
picture
you hold it or?
Yeah, well, I've got to go give him this.
Yeah, my family love those. I have to make a whole bunch of those. I'm so busy. Busy, busy, busy.
You don't find the bags made of that stuff very often.
The dog ones, you mean?
Yeah.
You gotta watch the dog ones out if you do them. Make totes with them. You can hand it to me.
Hang on, boy. You said you didn't.
Oh, I can hold it.
Hold it for a second. Come on, get back,
He's
boy.
a good boy. And these guys are all chilling out.
Got to give him another bag.
Does he need more dog food?
This was the last of this.
Oh
bag.
yeah, we need to go. We gotta pick up some kitty food
Gotta
too.
buy cat food too.
So I guess we'll do that in the morning. Do that in the morning. Although I do have canned dog food in the house. But I know he likes that.
That scoop there will last him 2 days.
Oh, I know, but I know he likes that. And I have canned cat food too.
I
But
like to have it in front of him all the time too.
yeah, I've got canned dog and cat food, but I usually save that for if we run
The
out.
winter's most crucial for keeping these guys. We got this a Cali dog. He seemed to like this too.
Did he like that? Because I know he likes.
Very few dog
He,
food too.
yeah,
He likes
very
Dad's.
few. He likes Dad's. He likes Iams too. Iams or whatever that is. Yeah, he likes that dog food too. Which
Those
those.
pull the sticker off to get the picture of the
Can you
dog on it.
take the sticker off for me?
Yeah, it would be easy to get it on once it gets warmed up.
And you know what? I haven't seen any stray cats.
It's good.
Because usually they've been living around here. They must be living somewhere else this year.
Ooh, fingers are cold.
So you can see we still have some lots of green grass. And it's January, what, 2nd? Second? Is it 2nd or 3rd? 2nd.
Second.
Shows you how much I know. Okay, guys. It is 30 degrees.
It's 30 degrees in the barn too, so at least they are getting a...
And the house is toasty warm. So,
Ooh,
like,
nice in here.
subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. God bless.